Okay, this is my sister's GT. I'm gonna do a bike check and a review. I brought it. I did do a bike check on my Fit M3, which I'm gonna review. Just chilling there. And I'm gonna do a good turn there. I'm gonna do both. So we got stock GT grips. Okay, I guess we're at fast. GT bars that are crap, just studying the tank. Tetra brake lever goes to a gyro, what I guess is alright. This bike's pretty heavy bar. A GT headset, gold front load. Standard load. It's alright. GT bars 27 1 or 6. My email bike as well, but what to do. GT tire, don't know what size, but know it's much bigger than the back, because back's way within. I'll show the difference in a minute. GT chrome head, GT Performer forks, Alienation front rim, front hub, unsealed. GT Performer 2012, I think, frame. GT cranks, GT pedals, 27 by 10 thing. It's the best gear you ever have. I really get it. I'm like, man. GT seat, which I think is a very good seat. Back GT tire is very thin on the things. I know it is. Unsealed bottom bracket. Back GT peg. Back rim is also similar as front alienation, rim, hub, spokes. Also unsealed. Now, the drop test, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. All that happens is the chain hits the brake, because the brake's up there, they're there, which is something different, but they work very well, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.